How can you do these two sample t-tests in Excel? Well, you can see here this is the example. This is problem 20 from page 466 of your book. We have Pennsylvania, New York data for strontium 90 in baby teeth, and we are trying to prove that Pennsylvania is higher than New York. So I want to go here, and I'm going to go over to data, and I'm going to go to data analysis, and I'm going to come down here to t-test two sample assuming unequal variances. We can't assume the variances are equal, so you're going to want this one. You want the t-test. So then my range 1 is A1 through A13, B1 through B13. I'm going to click right here in labels. You can change this. This asked us to do 0.05, but you could do whatever you wanted. Hypothesized mean difference, I'm going to put in 0 because I'm just trying to prove that there is or isn't a difference. If for some reason it was different, you could change that. I'm having this put out in H1. So then here's my data. And so right there is my t-stat, 3.265. There's my p-value. This is what I need to know for my hypothesis test. So then I could look at this and go, okay, well, this is less than 0.05. I will reject. I can prove that Pennsylvania is higher than New York. And you can see up here, these are the one tail that I did want. If I did want a two-tail test, I have those values here as well. Now, if you were trying to do a, this is what I was proving here, but now what if you want a confidence interval? Well, you can actually just pull, it won't do the confidence interval for you, but it's giving you all the data for it. So this is the confidence interval. X bar minus X bar 1 minus X bar 2, which those are right there. And then your E here, you need your variances. So in the formula, remember, it had S1 squared and S2 squared. Well, that's standard deviation squared, which is the same thing as variance. So you actually do not square those. That's the one caveat I'd pay attention to. You need to know the ends. Those are right there. It's even given you right here. There's your t-value you need for out here. So you just compute this, work this out, and you have your confidence interval. So when working with the data, obviously a lot of the trouble is just crunching all the numbers you need for it. Once you have it, it's plug and chug. So Excel will do that for you. It just won't actually give you the confidence interval. But it'll give you all the information you need to create it.